All right, man. So I was going through seeing what I could press this in with. And I have this 1 3/4 inch socket. I guarantee I bought this whenever I was in Colorado because I needed to do this very job, because there's nothing else in the world I would need an 1 3/4 inch socket for. So I'm going to see if I can't still get this thing to seat. It was just sitting on the axle. It never actually even pressed in through all that beating. So maybe we can still save it. I don't know. I'll keep you updated, buddy. Well, it's seated in place, but it's still leaking through the seal right there. I'll show you. See, like, comes out through the bottom, through those little holes. So the gasket on the inside, we probably ruined that the other day. That's okay. I can get them for $18 on Rock Auto instead of $40 at AutoZone. So I'm going to order one, and I'm just going to leave this all apart, and I'll throw it back together in a couple days. But 1 3/4 inch socket for the win. If you ever need to do one of these on a Ecotec, now you know. 1 3/4 inch.